Hey, welcome back to another Netcast. I'm Rich Lopez, Quantrix Authority. Sincerely appreciate you joining me today for episode number 47, where I'm going to demonstrate the awesomeness of Quantrix Modeler. In episode 47, I'm going to show you how to calculate a sum using three different but related tables or matrices. This just blows me away. Every time I do it, I just think this is the greatest tool ever invented, because it is. I have here three different matrices. I have an income statement total company, where I have income statement line items going down here on the left. I have year and month up here in my filter trays, as well as my data type, budget or actual. Right now I'm concerned about budget. And then I have line of business, which in this case is total company here. And then I have my metrics going here. I also have over here another matrix that has account number, and then it has this budgeted value, if you will, by month. Okay? What I want to do is I want to take the account numbers and I want to match them to the income statement line that they're associated with, and I want to have the value populate based off that association. Well, what I need is I need to establish that association, and I've done that by this mapping matrix where I have a list of all the account numbers. I have the income statement total company that this account number is tied to, and this is actually by year, because maybe my GL structure or where I want to report things in the income statement changes from year to year. I have it by year. What I've done with my setup to help me is I've gone ahead and I've created an account number helper, and I've just used these two basic formulas, equals at account number, and I've also done that for this year helper where it equals at for year, which is right here. Okay. Also, in order to get this to work, I need to add another item here, and I'm going to have, what I want to do is I want to associate I want to bring in the income statement total company that is associated with that account number into this matrix. And how I do that is I go equals income statement total company, right? Enter, and then I need to throw a using as on this. I want to use an item, which is this account number helper, as this category here. And then you can see that looks like it did the right thing. It's made some changes there. So that's only part of it. Now what I need to do is I need to marry really these three matrices together. And how I do that is pretty simple. So I want to go ahead and I want to take COGS, budget, value, right? Equals. So I'm looking at COGS right here. I want to take the budget and I want to take the value. And what it equals is it equals to the sum of this value here in the budget manufacturing GL account, right? Now I have to join the tables together, and what I do is I go using income statement total company, this item as this category here, okay? And then what else I need to do is I need to go ahead and I need to use the account number here as the account number here as this category. And then since it is by year, I need to go ahead and I need to make sure that I'm mapping, I'm using the correct year to map. So I would go year here, this item as the year category here. Once I do that, I get my values to populate automatically. Absolutely amazing. I just linked three different matrices all together, really with a basic using as and some other helper columns in Quantrix Modeler. Totally powerful tool. Absolutely love it. If you have any questions about using as, how to link matrices together to perform some sort of calculation, I really hope that you'll reach out to me at quantrixauthority@gmail.com. And I hope that you'll join me again for another episode of Quantrix Authority with Rich Lopez. I absolutely love Quantrix and want to make you a Quantrix master.